Good everybody, hope you've had a fantastic weekend, everyone there at FTX. If you haven't got your account, down there in the description, 10% off your trading fees, you should get one. You should also look at the videos below there as well in that description about how to go long, go short, and manage your risk. And if you haven't done my free course already, go and do it. 4 hours of content there, absolutely free as a bird. All right, Bitcoin, well, what did it do? Well, I had the week that I was hoping for. A week of strength, not strong. 13% up. Bingo. That's what I wanted. Took out all the highs, took out all the levels. We got blue sky ahead, baby. Look, I'd like to see it not go too crazy. This is good. I would like to see a bit of a pullback, to be fair, at some point. It just makes it more tradable. Bitcoin going up is great. Don't get me wrong. I invest in it. I hold Bitcoin. Excellent. Higher. Happy. But I want to get my margin trades on. I want to get lots and lots and lots and lots of positions based on good trades. And good trades come from being patient, waiting for those pullbacks. Or consolidations, if you're looking at my Bitcoin breakout trade, there's a breakout, the cradle, and the booster because markets move quickly. That's your booster. They consolidate, that's your breakout, and then they sort of trend quite nicely, like this one back here, you know. High, low, up we go. So plenty of time for the opportunity in here. So that's what I'm waiting for. I have to wait and see how I go. No trades for me on Bitcoin at this moment in time. I'm just waiting to see if we can get the cyclicity back. I'll be looking lower time frames through here as we do get convergence there first, because on the 4 hour right here, these highs, we are strongly divergent. From there we go to Ethereum. I like Ethereum. This daily looks fantastic. The weekly's broken up again through this cradle zone. Same theories are supported by Ethereum in that cradle zone. I'd love to see a cradle offer here. That would be the ultimate for me, the perfect place to buy for me. All of 400. Now I'm keeping a very close eye on the 12 and the 16 hour here. There is a 16 hour bullish candle right there, and if we do start to climb a little bit further, I may just pop an order in there because, you know, you can't tell the market what to do. If it doesn't give you exactly what you want, well, I know with my trading plan, if I was to take this trade, get stopped out, I could still take another one back here if it's set up even better. So I'll be keeping an eye on that and see where we go to from here. Stalking that. V-Chain Perpetual. Let's look at this on the 16, I believe it was. Little bullish candle. Wanted to close above here. The 12 will also be fine because we've got a higher low, higher high, and it's pulling back. I haven't got it there just yet. It's going to take some time, but I don't mind the wait because I trade all sorts of different time frames. BSV. It popped up through the resistance down here on the daily, and look, I've got to be honest, I'm a bit bummed about this. I was hoping it would come back a little bit further, and I may still do that. Look at this beautiful little cradle right here to a very strong move. I want that candle, and I want it right there. If I don't get it, would I take the one out? Look, potentially you could, if it fits your rules. I'm just waiting to see what goes on there, but the 2 hours certainly the time frame that stands out to me the best. On to Theta Network right now. Bullish candle right there in the cradle. Still 3 hours to wait. I want a small bullish candle. That one for me was too big, so we'll see how that goes. Also down here, the daily trend isn't really there, okay? But if I go higher, say like the 3-day, you'll note bullish candle broke to the highs. Okay, so it does have that momentum. The weekly does have that momentum. The daily, it's got momentum. It just doesn't have a higher low. The 12 does. Higher low pulled back. That's fine with a 4 hour cradle. That all ticks the boxes. So I'll be waiting patiently to see if I get any action in there. If you're looking for shorts, which, you know, if Bitcoin is to pull back, then it's not a bad idea to look for them. I'm looking at SXP, sorry, I always get that wrong. Looking to see how we go in here, if there's any pullbacks, little cradles, that sort of thing. Potentially getting close now. These moving averages need to come down a little bit further, a little bit faster. It's one for later on if it was to set up. And finally, looking at FTT, have a look at this. This is a spot market token only. Oh, I've actually got the wrong one up there. FTT. Because the Binance one's very thin. That's why I don't trade on that platform. If I look at this, oh, actually, let me just come over here and show it to you in my spot list. No, that one there. Rightio, that's the one I want. You pop that in. Oops, what am I doing? You pop that in, and look, we've broken up through that resistance I've been talking about for quite some time. Beautiful trend, great cyclicity, and a very strong run there on the FTX token by itself. Now, for me, it'd have to pull back in a little bit further if I was going to take another cradle here. But you know what? It could just kick on from this point. I'm a hodler of this token. It's one that I certainly will trade. I just have FTX token because I do have some in different exchanges because that's the business that I sort of understand more than most stuff in crypto. So I back myself on those things. So pretty sweet looking list in there. We'll get rid of that one, put that one in. Pretty sweet looking list, and there are plenty of options. And as we see, we're starting to see some strength start to come back into the market after a quick dip at the open. Let's see what we have today. It's a great trading day after a great trading week. Heaps of cradles were setting up on Bitcoin. Wow, profitable weekend if you're trading cradles, that's for sure. Some profits, some losers, but a lot more profitable than losing trades out there. If you haven't jumped across to tradercobb.com, check it out. Brand new platform, brand new course, and most of it is free. So go fill your boots. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.